How to change your username on Opensea. Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to change your username on Opensea fast and easy. So all what you have to do is go to opensea.io and then go to the top corner right here and go to your profile. Now this is my profile and this is the username that I want to change. If you want to change it, just go right here and go to the settings option here. Click on it and it will take you to this page directly. Now if you want to change your username, just change it from here. You can add anything you want, and after you finish, just go down and click on the save option. If this video was helpful for you, please don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching this video until the end. Thank you so much and see you in the next video.